Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can see your Gmail password on PC or on laptop. Now, there's two ways we can go about this. First, if you want to log into Gmail, it's tied to your Google account, right? So if you want a password for your Gmail, or if you can't log into Gmail, then it's the same thing that you can't log into your Google account. And if you want to see the password on your Google account, you have to go to the top section here of your homepage. If it's on Chrome, go to Manage Your Google Account. On here, go to personal info. On personal info, scroll down, and then you'll see that there's a password here, right? But it's not as easy as just clicking on it and then seeing your password, right? Because you will have to enter your password to actually see your password, which is kind of counterintuitive. So we can use this, try another way, and then you can either enter your password, use your passkey, or try another way again, right? But you can't use a passkey to verify it's really you. Your device may ask to scan a QR code before using your screen lock. So something like that, right? But besides these you can also check a phone here, right? So you can see your password by checking your phone like this. There's also another method we can go about this by going to the same thing here, Google account. And then on Google account, go to your manage your Google account again. Once you get back here, go to the search bar, search up password manager, get started. Now on here, you'll see that there's a couple of passwords that Google says. For example, here I have the password for Gmail here. You can see the logo. Just click on this. But first, again, you will need to continue to first verify it's you, right? So instead, I'm going to show you a workaround on how to get through this. Go back to your home screen here. And then instead of clicking on this big one here, click on this little one here. And then go to this button here, Google Password Manager. And then you'll see that there's the password right there, right? And instead of entering your Google password, you can instead enter in your laptop password. So I'm just going to enter in my laptop password here. I'm going to click on OK. And then you can see, we can see the password here now. If I want to see the password, just click on this, show password. And there you go. There's the password. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.